Recently I was approached and someone was asking me, if someone had completed a short sale recently, how long do they have to wait? And normally, for the last couple of years, I had created a program where we could actually help somebody purchase a home after a short sale right away. But I noticed some things were changing, and I started investigating some more into the guidelines and talking with a number of my lenders. And as I got into that conversation with each of those lenders, I found out many things had changed. Between the many different guidelines that are out there, whether it be Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, USDA, or VA, all the guidelines have changed. So I decided to put together something that might help you and those you care about. So what I've done is I've constructed a 2-page document, and it's at the link right down below. You just click on that link and you can download it yourself. But it's a 2-page shortcut document that tells you exactly what a person that does a short sale or a foreclosure or even a bankruptcy, how long they have to wait until they buy their next home. This is something I thought that would be very beneficial to you and to your clients. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at Premier Home Funding. We'd be happy to talk with you. Please pass this video along to your peers and give them the opportunity to have the answers for their clients, friends, or just to be the know-it-all at the next party. If you like this video, please subscribe over here and forward this on to your friends. I will not inundate you with useless information and promise to keep this entertaining. We will be sending out short but impactful videos only when we have good secrets that can help you or those you care about. This is your mortgage guy, Growl, helping you to rise above your competition. Hey there, hope you're having a great day. Wanted to ask you, are you having a difficult time with your lender, trying to get your lender to take care of your deal? You're on a purchase, you got the purchase, you want it to move forward, you have a contract, you've got a certain time frame you have to stay within. But they're kind of focused on a refinance. Why are they focused on a refinance? Rates are low, and that's great, but they need to be focused on the task at hand. And the refinance doesn't have a contract that needs to close in the next 8, 10, whatever, how much longer is left on that contract. So what we do here at Premier Home Funding is we put purchases first. We do refinancing for our clients because we want to save them that money and interest rates are low. But purchases come first. They are our priority. That is how we get introduced to new clients. That's how we're able to serve new partners in the industry. So we help in 2 different ways make this process for a purchase contract smoother. 1, we do make sure we call you back between the hours of 11 and 12 and 4 and 5 every day. I'm not saying we only call you back between those times, but we guarantee that we will do callbacks during those times so that you know what's going on if you have a question. If you have a question of can you up the purchase price for your client, we'll let you know those kinds of things. We want you to know that purchases are a priority. The second thing that we do is Friday updates. Every Friday, we update our buyer of the home, our buyer's realtor, and the listing agent. That way all 3 parties know exactly what's going on. We also have conversations with the title agent and insurance and any other parties that we need to make sure are moving along in the process so that our contract closes ahead of time or on time. At Premier Home Funding, we are committed to making sure purchase contracts are a priority, even in a refinance boom. If you like this video, please subscribe over here and forward this on to your friends. We want to help you and your peers and your clients. I will be sending out short but impactful videos on a pretty regular basis, and only when we have good secrets that will help you and those you care about. This is your mortgage guy, Growl, helping you to rise above your competition. Hey there. Do you have questions about the new refinance program that was just announced by the government this past couple of weeks? I have a couple answers that might help you out for your clients that are having questions and want to know more. It's part of the HARP program. This is the same program that was pronounced by the government a couple years ago to help save all those underwater mortgages. It didn't do that much good, but I will say I have helped a number of clients be able to refinance their home that without the HARP program would not have had options otherwise. A lot of people in my industry will say this program's been a failure. I will give it some credit. There have been a number of clients we have been able to help that without this program never would have had another option. Well, the government decided to double down on this idea and decided to go from the current 125% top that we have up to 150%. Now, I don't know that that's such a good idea, but that's where we're at. So if you have a client that maybe owes 50% more than what their home is worth, this is an actual option, something they can look to do and be able to refinance their home at today's lower rates. There's a couple things that they have to follow. One, they have to have a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan. There's a couple of ways to find that out. If you have questions or they don't know, call us. We'll be happy to do the research for you. It takes us about a minute. Real long, I know. Second, they have to be on time with their payments in the last 12 months, but not completely on time. They can actually be late one time in that last 12-month period, only 30 days. They really should have decent credit because this program does carry a lot of fees. So if you have good credit, you have a much better shot of getting a very good interest rate. At the end of the day, we have helped some families that were up to 25% upside down in their homes under the old program. Now that it goes up to 150, we hope to help a couple more. If you should have a client that's calling and wants to know, can this be done? Send them our way. We'd be happy to answer those questions and let them know. We'll even get you in the loop so you are a part of it as the source that helped make it possible for them. Please pass this video along to your peers and give them the opportunity to have the answers for their clients and friends. If you like this video, please subscribe over here and forward this on to your friends. I will not inundate you with useless information and promise to keep this entertaining. We will be sending out short but impactful videos only when we have good secrets that can help you and those you care about. This is your mortgage guy, Growl, helping you to rise above your competition.